Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Try to guess why I'm here. It's been an eyesore for me for years, and I was trying to come up with some solution for this not so pretty fence. And initially I thought I'm gonna get some climbers to cover it.
Look at this beautiful clematis, nicely climbing similar fence and blooming profoundly.
But then recently I did speak to the owner of this fence, and he actually told us that he's gonna replace it, take it down and replace with beautiful brick on the bottom and nice iron work. But meanwhile, I would like to plant something in here. Let's do that.
This area was neglected for a while.
And to turn it into a nice flower bed, you need some budget, and sometimes it's an issue. So as a start, I found this boxwood just lying on the street, and I rescued it. Planted it here first. It's, as you can see, it's a little bit up, but it seems like it's taking, and hopefully with time will be beautiful.
How can we manage the budget?
I got all these plants for free except for 2 hydrangeas, and I think it's a good start to plant it in this flower bed. And we have coreopsis, ornamental grass, daylilies, milkweed.
Let's see if we have enough plants for this area. And since some work is anticipated on the fence, I am not making formal flower bed and just planting everything so it's gonna be established. And then by the time the work on the fence is done, I can finish flower bed and maybe add some more plants here.
I got some garden compost I'm gonna use.
Pinnacle hydrangeas are a great choice due to their showy, long-lasting blooms, ease of care, and ability to tolerate various conditions. Montauk daisies are salt and drought tolerant and will be perfect for this space. Also, they will extend flowering season as they bloom late.
Ornamental grass here.
A few repeats of ornamental grass will provide beautiful texture and color for this small garden. Coreopsis are relatively low maintenance, drought tolerant, and offer long blooming season with daisy-like flowers. I also got 2 different varieties of daylilies, and I'm planning to split each of them into 3 and plant here. Not sure what they are, but hey, they're free, and definitely not orange daylilies. Daylilies are a good choice for low-maintenance plants. They can tolerate partial shade and still produce a good amount of blooms, and they thrive in various conditions. All plants are in, and it's been several days since I planted, and considering we experienced really high heat over 100 degrees, plants are doing relatively well. I needed to water them twice a day, and I think they're off to a good start. We'll have a beautiful flower bed. Happy gardening!